Greetings, fellow lumber slayers. If you are looking to actually make real money woodworking, this video channel is for you. I've been at the same Portland, Oregon location for over 33 years. The business usually sells around $85,000 worth of product per year. One year I sold over $400,000 worth. This is not a video series about making cute little candle holders or birdhouses to sell on Etsy. And we certainly don't need another cutting board video. This series is about building and marketing patio furniture to be used indoor or outdoors. I'd say about 1 out of every 5 tables we build are purchased to be used indoors. But when it comes to our real bread and butter, restaurant orders are what we live for. We love restaurant orders not only because of their size, but because they are usually made up of all the same model of table. When you are building many of the same style table, there is a lot of duplicating of the same parts and pieces. Having a good miter saw table setup with a stop block makes duplicating a breeze. Why tables? Because everybody eats. Everybody owns at least one table unless your thing is to eat off the floor or something. One thing I learned in the small business classes that I took was to focus on products everybody needs. You don't particularly need a candle holder, but you do need a table. Why am I making this video series? To help guide other woodworkers on how to be a successful business owner and wood crafter. These are not only videos on how to build our furniture designs, but we will mainly focus on how to create a business and how to market your products. These videos are all about the money. You can build, but if you can't sell, what's the purpose? Other than building some sweet furniture for yourself. Nothing wrong with that. Like most woodworkers, I started with the minimum of tools and materials. I will go over my history of acquiring tools and materials in the video titled Our Story. If you are looking for videos where someone is showing off their Powermatic or Laguna tools in their super high-end shop, well, these videos are not for you. I pride myself in the fact that I never bit off more than I could chew. That is the reason most small businesses fail. They max out their credit cards and borrow against their homes. They end up with a bunch of sweet tools with nowhere to put them. Most of you probably already have the basic of the basic tools, but I want to go over all tool aspects. I just want to be very thorough. Woodworking is like barbecuing. Everyone's an expert. After 36 years, I'm still learning. So if you think that you have a better way, set me straight by leaving a comment below. If it looks like we're doing something unsafe, please tell us. Safety is paramount. I've made many mistakes, and I'm not too proud to tell you about them. I've learned from my mistakes, and I want you to learn from my mistakes. I just don't want you to make the same mistakes, especially the mistakes I made running the business. Episode subjects we will be covering, but not necessarily in this order. And I'm sure I'll think of more in the future. Tools required, tools not required but help, setting up a shop, miter saw setup and stop blocks, how to market your products, varnishing and staining, lumber sourcing and lumber scavenging, getting prepared for spring and summer, finding your best screw, coating, and sandpaper sources, refinishing, storing your tops and parts and pieces, hiring employees, how to take payments, finding, buying, and reselling other builders' products, delivering your products. Owning the shop allowed me to make enough income to buy a modest house with some extra land. I was a single parent father that solely raised my two kids. I raised my daughter since she was 2 and my son was 4. I put my two kids through college. They both have bachelor degrees from Portland State. Plus, my kids did help out on the weekends and summers. They saved up enough money to purchase nice automobiles at the age of 15. And all of their friends, they were the cool kids because they had the first cars of all the kids in the neighborhood. Like most woodworkers, I acquired bigger, better machines as the budget would allow it. My home shop has some really nice Jet brand machines. Well, I hope you find these videos helpful. It's been a long journey. I'm now 64 years old, and my son now has taken over the business. He's the one in the construction videos, and I'll admit, he has become the master. His joints are tighter, his final products are all around superior than anything I ever produced. Very proud of the craftsman he has become. Still answer the phones and help when he needs. I always remember the first time he came to work with me. He said, "Daddy, you play with blocks at work." To end this introduction video, we'd like to mention that our business here in Portland, Oregon is up for sale. If anyone is interested, the video titled "Our Shop is for Sale" will have all the details. This is the perfect opportunity for someone looking for a turnkey woodworking shop with 33 years of existence. Now I'm going to use a Jedi mind trick on you, and by doing so, you will be compelled to subscribe. You are hitting that subscribe button. You are hitting that subscribe button. These are the videos you've been seeking. These are the videos you've been seeking. Like, like, like. Hitting the like button helps the algorithm. Trust me, I've seen Al Gore dance. Al Gore does not have any rhythm.